feel like we are missing some people, but let's see what we can get through with who we have. So as I said, it's Sinead and Finola's last stand-up today. We are really sad that they're going to be leaving, but really glad that they were with us for the 2 months, which kind of flew by. So maybe, and we are going to have that review in a little bit, and figure out, I think we have somebody to take over kind of the remainder of the work. So figure out a handover there. So maybe you guys can quickly just update us if there's anything to add before your second review in a little bit.
I don't think we have anything because we've fixed the code, the template, and the scenarios like to match the code. So just kind of, I suppose, see what you think of our interview or the minimum viable product, I suppose.
Okay, perfect. And what we'll do is we'll obviously do the review and record kind of what the next steps are going to be and who will be, and then the person who'll be taking that over will then be able to watch that video and kind of deal with that in with your documentation. Okay, next on my screen is Aubrey, Blake, and Matt.
We are almost done with all of the changes from yesterday. We'll do a demo, and then we're gonna have to rewrite a bunch of our tests with those changes, but otherwise going well. And then
Michelle, I undertook that we would both, between the two of us, split up the tests to have a look at them before getting sent out into the wild. So Aubrey, Blake, and Matt are gonna be informing us of when that is done, and then we can have a look.
Sounds good.
Okay, Sam, just you today.
Yeah, just me. So same as always for us at the moment, still working on integrating loop stuff. It's kind of still very tricky.
Do you need any help on that?
I think we do.
Okay.
Yeah. Maybe some one-on-one time. We've been working at this for a while, and the Teaching Tuesdays and meetings and stuff have been helpful, but we kind of feel like we're just like left with this code and we don't exactly know how to interpret it. So we definitely need to get over this roadblock.
Okay,
so
that's definitely ask for help.
Yeah.
Yep.
Let's see if we can find
we
the time.
generally say after half an hour, ask for help. That's generally right.
That's the thing. We've been getting help from you guys.
No, not like one-on-one, like asking for one-on-one help. That's that is what that's for. Yeah.
That would be excellent. Whether anybody feels very comfortable, like, helping us out with that. We have pretty flexible time. We normally meet at like 10 a.m. So if somebody feels comfortable helping us out.
Message me.
Is this the question about the jobs kind of at like looping through those the job question?
Yeah, the jobs and other sources of income and things that generally need loops. Yeah.
So why don't I think I'm not free at 10. Am I? I don't know. I'll have to have a look at my calendar.
We can do later in the day too. That's not a hard.
I think I've just kind of got that in terms of our thing. So perhaps we could meet and try and tackle it. By no means am I an expert, but ours is working now thanks to like everyone's input. So we could try together, and then if that's still not working, or it's kind of like the blind leading the blind, then we can reach out to somebody a little bit more senior.
Okay. Yeah. Anything works for us.
Okay.
I can send you a message, and maybe it wouldn't even hurt, Michelle, just in the future to schedule like another meeting preemptively. Just to, not even as like
literally no faith.
No.
It's okay. You don't have to have faith anymore. You've had faith.
No, just as like a way to make sure that we're really understanding everything.
Sure.
Just scheduling wise, but yeah.
Okay.
We're really looking for all the help we can get.
If you want, I can just come onto the same meeting, and I can be around if there are further questions, for example.
Perfect.
I can let you all go at it, and yep.
Okay, I'll create like a Slack channel.
Yeah, perfect. So it'll be you, Mark, Eric, Michelle, and myself.
Perfect.
Sounds good.
Okay, Mike, how's it going with you and your forms?
It's good. I had a meeting this morning for the housing one with Caroline and Gordon, and they gave me a bunch of suggestions and things I need to make, changes I need to make to the interview. So I'm going to be spending the next day or so doing that.
Is it logic or language or both?
Language, mostly language. Yeah. One of them is I have to change the code for like one of the screens, but it shouldn't be too hard. So I just got to go through and do that, and then I'm gonna push both the edits for that one and the consumer default to GitHub, and let Caroline do like a readability check.
Okay, and will you just ping Caroline on Slack as well when you do that, just so that it doesn't get lost in the ether?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. And then the debt collection, how's that one going? What was left on that one?
We decided that we're going to move to a readability check, and that was it.
Okay. Do you know what to do? What is the action point for getting it onto readability? Is it also Caroline?
Yeah.
I think so, yeah.
Okay, so will you also
I need to pull it and go through it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, perfect. Thank you very much, Caroline. Okay, cool. Good to hear that. I'm glad that sounds good. Okay, Benny and Mia, how are you guys doing?
So yeah, we were working this morning and we fixed some blockers, and then Michelle was also helping me this morning. So I just think we're kind of freshening some things up and then updating our testing, and we'll probably be ready for another demo early next week.
Okay, perfect. So it'll be Aubrey and you guys, Aubrey, Blake, Matt, and then me and Vinny. And then I think Sam, did you guys say that you guys might be ready for a demo next week as well?
Yeah, we most likely will be. All of our questions are all set. We just need to get this little bit of usability out of the way. Yeah.
Okay. Perfect. Okay, and then last but not least, Eleni and James.
Hello.
Hi.
So, we had a blocker, and Jason put a message out to one of the channels asking for help on that. And then regarding my issue with my phone, Michelle, I think you can answer my question, but how are we doing with that?
You mean for signing on a device? Is this the multi-signature, or is this I have no memory, I'm a goldfish.
No, sorry, like, you know how you responded to my message in the channel?
It sounds likely. Sounds like something I would do. I can look it up later and we can discuss it more.
Sure, we'll talk about it later.
Yes.
Eleni, will you message Michelle privately or just draw her attention back?
Yeah,
to
yeah. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
I did what I was supposed to do.
Civil action cover sheet, as I said yesterday, we had that SME review, and Lance and I have kind of got the flow together now. We think we're a little bit more confident with that, and we're kind of just programming the last bits of the logic. There are definitely some things that we need expert help with. So perhaps we could have like a kind of like what Sam is asking for, like an expert call, maybe with Michelle, and then perhaps Quentin if you are available at some point. Yeah, we just had some questions. We'll definitely outline those and put them in the channel before, just so that they're kind of like clarified. And then if anyone else has those similar problems, it might be beneficial to have a look, jump on that call as well. Other than that, does anybody have anything that they want to add? No. Okay, so Sinead and Finola need to take a screenshot for their newsletter. So if you're comfortable, please can you put your video on and smile.
Posing for a picture.
Yeah, because Quentin and David like to take screenshots of just like the video normally, and then it's always me just looking at this.
Oh wait, did we take the picture?
No, we haven't taken the picture.
A countdown if you want, if that makes it easier.
Sorry?
We can do like a countdown if people want.
Yeah, that would be good.
Do we want to change the happy birthday, or do we want to leave up the
You're
happy
muted,
birthday?
Mia.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll
so
move closer to my screen.
Are we gonna do a countdown? How are we gonna do this? Should I take my heater off so it's not like super red? Okay, Vinny and James, you're not gonna be in the photo. Is that okay? You fine with that? I think they're gonna.
Okay,
Sorry?
They'll just show up as little icon-y faces.
Yeah.
Little circle faces. Don't
and
worry.
Caroline,
Names
I don't know what's going on with you.
Oh, well, no, if you do a screenshot, names will show up.
Yeah.
We can move them if you want. But I don't know how it'll be able to be seen anyway if it's in printed form. But
well,
we can blur them.
Yesterday, you'll be mirrored.
Everybody, guys.
There we go.
Caroline.
Very nice.
We'll just put
You
a
just-
photo of
First
Caroline
I
in.
can't like I
Her
can't figure
computer's
out how to fix
broken.
my camera. That's the problem. Can you move me out of your? Can you move me?
We
Well,
can
just
switch off again.
paste in from a different day.
How did that happen? How did that happen?
She just turned her
Well,
camera off.
I know that's not it. Wait a minute. Do you see me?
Yeah.
No. Now I'm gone.
I
I'm
see
out
your
of your
name.
picture now, so that should work. No, there's something wrong with the camera. It's not that I turned it off. I can't figure out what the problem.
No, I know, but now your name is showing.
Yeah,
Yeah,
instead
as
of the
opposed
camera
to your
picture.
thing. So
As-
doing that,
well, what's
stopping
just better?
video.
Do you
No, it's-
care?
Stopping video is good because it moves you to the bottom of the pictures. So it,
That's
we'll
what I
do, Caroline,
thought. It
is
got me
we'll-
out of the way.
We'll take a screenshot of a previous
Perfect.
video and then if superimpose it on.
all right,
That's where
is
you're
everyone
laughing.
fine with their
Exactly.
names? If their names, because when we do the audio, when we put stuff on YouTube, your names don't show up because we use the in-house recording. So this would be different. Everyone happy with their names?
I mean,
I didn't realize that our names don't show
I don't
up
think
on
the
YouTube.
names don't show up, right?
No,
Whatever.
but she's going to do a
I'm
screenshot. A screenshot shall actually capture the screen.
Okay.
Right.
Whoever does a screenshot, you might want to uninvert your video, unless you don't mind being backwards.
This whole
It'd
group
be normal to
knows
you.
that I'm not gonna
Life
do
is backwards.
that. Who's taking the screenshot? Is it Sinead? No.
You can make yourself mirrored.
I
If
can
you take a
it.
screenshot,
I can also
your
take a
picture will be
screenshot.
backwards.
Yeah, I don't know how to unmirror it or like do magic.
It's in your video setting, but it's okay. It's not like you have things to read in the background there.
No.
That'll throw off.
Yeah,
All right.
it's true.
I'm going to take a screenshot in 3, 2, 1.
It's like the weirdest class photo day ever.
Yeah, it is. It's kind of like end of year photo, but a very
Now, if other people want to take a screenshot, that's fine too.
Yeah.
Um,
Now it doesn't look the whole time. I don't know when people are taking photos. Are we done? Maybe David can just put that one on the channel and then we can.
that is what I was doing right now.
Thanks, David. Okay, guys, we're really gonna miss you. Thank you very much for your work. And I
Thank you
think
so much.
the kind
Oh,
of
I look crazy in that photo.
On another photo? Is that what you're saying?
He
No.
can edit himself in.
It's the reality of things.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. So I'm gonna stop this recording.